Ndewo. Welcome to Chidera Teaches Igbo. How well do you know your numbers in Igbo language? Numbers in Igbo language is Ọnụọgụgụ. Ọnụọgụgụ Igbo. In today's class, we'll be learning numbers in Igbo language. But before we start, let me go and get my seat. Teaches Igbo. Remember our today's topic, numbers in Igbo language, which is Ọnụọgụgụ Igbo. Ọnụọgụgụ Igbo. For today's lesson, I'll be teaching you how to say the numbers 1 to 20 in Igbo language. The number 1 in Igbo is otu. Otu. Number 2 is abụọ. Abụọ. Number 3 is atọ. Atọ. Number 4 is anọ. Anọ. Number 5 is ise. Ise. Number 6 is isii. Isii. Number 7 is asa. Asa. Number 8 is asatọ. Asatọ. Number 9 is itoolu. Itoolu. And number 10 is iri. Iri. Now recall I told you earlier that 10 in Igbo language is iri and 1 in Igbo language is otu. Now to say 11 in Igbo language is to combine 10 and 1. However, and in Igbo language is na. So to say 11 in Igbo language is iri, which is 10, and which is na, and otu, which is 1. So if you say it together, it's iri na otu. That's how you say 11 in Igbo. 10 and 1. Iri na otu. Same thing goes with 12 in Igbo language, which is iri na abụọ. 13 in Igbo language is iri na atọ. 14 in Igbo language is iri na anọ. 15 becomes iri na ise. 16 becomes iri na isii. 17 becomes iri na asa. 18 becomes iri na asatọ. 19 becomes iri na itoolu. Remember I taught you earlier that 10 in Igbo is iri, whereas 2 in Igbo is abụọ. So iri abụọ simply means 10 in 2 places. 20 in Igbo language is iri abụọ. Alright guys, that will be all for today. Till our next class. Kodi.